Welcome to HTML and CSS tutorial series. In previous tutorial we have added left panel, arrangement for main content and the footer part. Now in this tutorial we are going to add a main content as we are adding login page. Okay. Now quickly I will add HTML for it. So as we have learned how to work with form tag and how to arrange data in table, so quickly I have added it. So I will save the changes. I will check out the output first. So this is our label, sign up here, username with text box, password with the text box, login and cancel button. Okay, what we have added is inside the main content I have added form tag. Inside the form tag I have added table, caption is sign up here, one first row. In the first row, td, first column as a label, username, input type email, id with username. Second row will be for password, input type password, id is pass. And the third row there is no column as a first column. In the second column I have added input type submit with the value is login, input type reset with the value cancel. Okay, at the end we have closed the table and the form tag. Therefore we have got this arrangement. Now we'll quickly apply the CSS to it. Now we want center align, or we want to switch this content at this center. So we have added what table tag. So quickly go to the CSS table and set margin left to suppose 300 pixel. We'll check it out the output. So we'll have spacing from the left side. If you want to add it more, you can add it. For example, instead of this, if you set to 350, save the changes. Okay, so we have shift from left side at the center. Now we want to change its sign up here. So for sign up here we are using caption. So I will say table, inside we will be having caption. For that caption I will set font size to 30 pixel, save the changes. Okay, if you want to change the color as well, you can take it from the color codes. Suppose I will using this color as a text color. Okay, so I will say color is this. Okay, if you want to be a bold, you can say font weight is bold. Save the changes, check the output. So we will be having sign up here. Okay, now for a time being I will remove the background color of main content, because for just our understanding I have applied it. So for a main content, this background color I will just comment it out, so it will look like this. Okay, similarly if you want to remove the background color for left panel, you can remove it as it not looks good. So I'll go to the left panel, background color I will comment out for a time being. Okay, so page will be look like this. Okay, now we'll arrange our username, password, text boxes and button. We'll apply CSS to it. What we will do for the same, so we are using label. Okay, for the label we'll set some CSS. Okay, so we'll use label. For the label, font size should be 20 pixel. Font family will be suppose sans serif. Save the changes, check it out the output. Okay, now we want to change text box CSS. What we will do, so we'll create some CSS for it. So I'll apply dot text box. Okay, I will set it height 35 pixel, width is around suppose 120 pixel. Okay, save the changes. I will apply this class to our input type. So first of all, for this input type, class is text box, this class is text box. Save the changes, check it out the output. Okay, width is very less. What we will do, we can increase the width. Okay, so we'll quickly add up to 200. Okay, save the changes. Okay, if you want to increase more, you can increase this, for example up to 250 as well. If you want to increase, you can increase it like this. Now instead of this square, we want angle at the corners. Okay, it should not be sharp, it should be curved. What we will do, we can use border dash radius, and we can set the curve value. So here I will set 10 pixel. Let's check it out the output. So now it will be curved. Okay, if you want to reduce the value, you can reduce it, I'm sorry. So you can keep it, suppose 6 pixel, in this way. Okay, now in this case also, if you want to reduce the width or a height, if you say height is 30 pixel, can be managed. Okay, now if you add placeholder inside it, again it will be looks good. So here I will say placeholder your email ID, and for this text box I will adding placeholder as your password. Okay, save the changes, check it out the output. So it looks good now. Okay, now next one is for button. Now for both the button I want to apply some same CSS. What we will do, here I will say I will create one class dot button. I can say height will be suppose 35 pixel, width will be suppose 120 pixel. I don't know, we need to manage it later on as well. Now I have just applied it. Now I will copy the class button and will quickly apply it to input type submit and reset. So class is button and class is button. Save the changes. If you check, we will be having, have you saved the CSS? Okay, style is remaining, so we need to save the CSS as well. Save, we'll see this button. Okay, now we want different color as a background color and highlight them with a different way. So what we will do, first of all here I will set font weight to bold. So both the font should be bold first. Okay, now for a login I want to set different background color. For cancel I want to set different background color. Okay, so here I will set dot success class, and here I will set the background color as a green, but from this time I will take it from here. Okay, so green color, we'll take it from here. Okay, so this will be the color. So I'll say background color hash this. Okay, and this is for cancel, so I'll say it's, you're resetting the form, so it is kind of danger class dot danger class, and here I will say background color will be a red, but it should be something like faint red color, like this. So quickly copy, hash, paste it. Okay, now I'll apply the success class to the submit button, space success class, danger, copy the class and apply to this danger. Save the changes. If you check the output, we will be having two different buttons. Okay, so in this way we have done with a simple login form with header, menu, left panel, footer and the page. So you can apply the same look and feel for multiple pages. In next tutorial series we will be covering remaining CSS properties. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.